Pitted against the more expensive and established big-name brands, this extraordinary lower-priced LED light confidently holds its own and pushes results to the max. Utilizing superior Samsung 301H and Osram 660nm red diodes, the Exolux Pro Sirius registers a devastating power rating of 2.7 UMOL per watt and 1700 ppf, all without compromising on light spectrum and coverage. The unit boasts a powerful 630 watt output and can be dimmed manually, where you simply select one of 4 settings. More impressive is the ability to connect an external advanced 0 to 10 volt controller, like the Parlux Master Controller or the DLI DLM4 Zone Controller for enhanced levels of light management. Full spectrum for use throughout the veg growth and flowering stages, you can expect the Sirius to deliver uniform coverage and hugely impressive yields over an area of 1.2 by 1.2 meters up to 1.5 by 1.5 meters. The light promises to give you years of reliable maintenance-free operation with a minimum of 50,000 hours of runtime. It also cools passively and features no moving parts, so there's no risk of failure. Although the Sirius is short in stature, you are able to detach and mount the driver remotely to make the fixture even lower profile. This means you can mount it at the very top of your tent, which gives you more vertical growing space. The flexibility of a foldable design allows you to get the light into limited access areas, such as a loft, opening up your options of where to set up. Furthermore, the inclusion of rope ratchets and metal internal connection points promotes safe and secure hanging of the light. You don't have to worry about bending, buckling, or breakages, and maneuvering it into different positions takes a matter of seconds and very little effort. Easily now a front runner in the performance and value categories for LED lights, the Exolux Pro Sirius has undoubtedly shaken up the order and set an entirely new benchmark on which to base expectations. For more videos like this one, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.